In this guide, we'll walk you through how to replace the cartridge in your bathroom kitchen faucet by Stylish. First, let's review the materials you will need: a new cartridge, an Allen wrench, and a plier wrench. Once you have these tools ready, let's get started. Before changing the cartridge, make sure the shutoff valves are closed. Find the small cap located underneath the faucet handle. Using a 2.5mm Allen wrench, unscrew the set screw to release the handle. Once loose, pull the handle upward to remove it and access the cartridge. You will see the cartridge cover. Use your hand to unscrew it counterclockwise and set it aside. With the cover removed, use a plier wrench to loosen the cartridge. Pull the old cartridge straight up to remove it. Before installing the new cartridge, make sure the chamber is clean and free of debris or residue. Insert the new cartridge Alling pros with cavity holes into the chamber. Place the cartridge locking nut and tighten it using the plier wrench. Screw the cartridge cover back on by hand. Place the handle back on. Secure it by tightening the screw with the Allen wrench. And finally, replace the handle cap. Once the process is complete, please reopen the shutoff valves. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the cartridge in your faucet.